Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find the Roblox billing settings on PC or desktop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So what we want to do is just log into the Roblox website. Then click on the settings icon here, or the gear icon in the top right and go into settings. Now from these settings, we will have two sections which we need to go over to find the billing settings for. So the first one is going to be subscriptions. If you have any subscriptions here, you want to cancel them. And basically, that's the first we have how you can find the billing settings. And the more important one is this one here, the payment methods. So if you have a payment method set up on your Roblox account, you can see them right here. So currently, I don't have any payment methods. But if you have any cards linked here, so if you have a Visa or MasterCard American Express, discover any of those linked to your account. Then you can find them here, and you can change your billing settings right here. So that's basically how you can find the Roblox billing settings on PC or desktop. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.